If your doctor told you to watch your heart health, stop what you're doing and watch this. Because this simple 20-minute soup has been shown in multiple studies to help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and protect your arteries. And every single ingredient already sitting in your kitchen right now. Here's what nobody tells you after 60. Your heart works harder every single year, and most of us are eating the same way we did at 40, without realizing that a few small changes to what's in your bowl could make a real difference. I'm not talking about expensive supplements or a diet you can't stick to. I'm talking about a bowl of soup. Warm, filling, delicious, and genuinely good for your heart. This is lentil and garlic soup. And before you say, "Oh, I've heard of that," let me show you why it works. Because once you understand what's happening in your body, you'll want to make this every single week. Lentils are packed with soluble fiber, the kind that grabs onto cholesterol in your bloodstream and helps carry it out of your body. One study found that eating lentils regularly was linked to a drop in bad LDL cholesterol. Then you add garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, and researchers found it may help relax blood vessels and support healthy blood pressure. And we finish with extra virgin olive oil, the same oil eaten every day in the Mediterranean, where heart disease rates are among the lowest in the world. All right, here's exactly how I make it. You only need 5 ingredients. 1 cup of red lentils, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 medium onion, chopped, 4 cups of low-sodium broth, vegetable or chicken, your choice, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's it. Heat your olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your onion, cook for about 3 minutes until it softens. Then add your garlic. You'll smell it immediately. That's the allicin activating right there. Add your lentils, pour in your broth, bring it to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. The lentils will soften beautifully. Now, here's my little tip. Use a hand blender and blend just half the soup. It makes it thick and creamy, but you still get those whole lentils in every spoonful. Perfect texture. Season with a pinch of cumin and black pepper. And that's your heart-supporting soup. Done in 20 minutes. Simple, cheap, and your heart will thank you for it. Try making this once a week and see how you feel after a month. If this was helpful, please hit the like button. It helps more people over 60 find videos like this. And subscribe so you never miss a new remedy or recipe. I post every Tuesday and Friday just for you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.